In this video, we'll show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram web in just a few easy steps. But let's be real, the real reason you're here is to make your Instagram look cooler, right? No worries, we've got you covered. Step 1, open Instagram web on your preferred browser. That one's easy, you got this. Step 2, alright, now for the tricky part. Just look for the hamburger menu icon at the bottom left of your screen. It looks like a stack of pancakes, so now you're probably getting hungry, but don't worry, we'll get back to that later.
God, please, no! No! No!
Step 3, click on Switch Preferences. You've got a lot of those, we know, and voila! The magic happens, is right there. As soon as you click on Switch Preferences, the theme will automatically turn into dark mode. That's it, you're done. Your Instagram just got a whole lot cooler. Step 4, last but not least, sit back, relax, and enjoy the sleek and stylish new dark mode theme on Instagram web. And if all this talk about pancakes got you craving some breakfast, well, we won't judge if you take a quick break to indulge. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials on Instagram and other social media platforms.